The field of instructional design has been exploding in the last few decades. Since 2004, the demand has been on the rise, up by more than 20% nationwide. Even before the catastrophic event of COVID-19, there was still a rapidly growing demand. While unemployment has been on the rise, postings of new advertisements for instructional designers, learning designers, and instructional technologists has been skyrocketing. In addition, for those universities that choose not to build but to buy this capability, there's also the option to turn to companies that offer course development and instructional design support. There are a multitude of facets that make up an instructional designer, which the everyday person might not be aware of. The titles cover overlapping features of the same process of e-learning course design that schools and companies know will be essential to their future success. It's kind of like saying all doctors are the same. Doctor is the category, but there are many sub-niches within. I will discuss with you 9 positions in the field of e-learning and instructional design. Number 1, the most obvious, instructional designer. Instructional designers design online courses with the help of authoring tools. Some instructional designers specialize in designing for one particular format, such as e-learning. Number 2, e-learning consultant. They help clients choose educational software to meet the project needs and specifics. Number 3, content developer. They're in charge of writing content, creating videos, and building presentations to be used in e-learning courses. Number 4 is a curriculum designer. They analyze the standards, goals, and purpose of a curriculum and devise high-level learning strategies to meet these goals. And then number 5 is course developer. They structure e-learning courses to maximize their efficiency for a company or an institution. Number 6 is media specialist. They perform tasks such as audio and video production editing, as well as graphic production. And then number 7 is learning management system administrator or manager. They ensure that the system is running smoothly. They train others how to use it and create standards for the many detailed issues that arise and troubleshoot technical problems. And then number 8 is learning and development specialist. They plan to conduct and administer e-learning programs. And then lastly, number 9 are the subject matter experts or content specialists. Those are industry professionals who define the learning objectives and give feedback on how the courses are being developed. Instructional designers are usually content neutral and focus on a variety of different subjects depending on the project that they're working on, but some concentrate on one field. If you have a specific subject that interests you, then this path might be best for you. The most important thing is that you gain the knowledge or experience necessary for being hired for the desired position. That is what the e-learning and instructional design for beginners community is for. It will fill in all the gaps for you. Start your career in instructional design and e-learning. Build from scratch and finish with mastery. Whatever you need help with, the community is there to help you master your skills. Interested in joining the community? Visit eteachonline.com/join.